Hello friends, I'm Lokesh, your mentor at mentorbuddy.com. We have a question based on time, speed and distance. This is a very frequently category or frequently asked question in most of the competitive exams. It says, walking 6 by 5 of his usual speed, a person takes 10 minutes less to reach his office. His usual time taken to reach the office is. So let us see how we can solve such a question. First of all, we will assume that usual cases or the usual case is his usual speed is s, that is speed, usual distance traveled is d, and similarly the time taken usually is t. Let us assume all the values are in kilometer and the r standard units. Now what happens second time he walks at a speed of 6 by 5. So his usual speed was s, but now he is walking at 6 by 5 of his usual speed. And therefore he is taking 10 minutes less. That means now his time becomes, or I would say t dash becomes t minus 10. Now please understand this is in minutes, but our usual time was in hours. So you have to convert this minutes into hours. And now the question is, what is the usual time to reach to his office? So we have to calculate the value of t. So if I put the equations, the usual case when speed is equal to distance upon time, and the second time when the speed becomes 6 by 5, distance obviously remains same between his house and his office, and time becomes t minus 10 by 60. So these are the two equations. Though we have two equations and three variables, but then because they are in multiplicative format, we can easily solve it. So if I divide equation 2 and equation 1, I directly get 6 by 5 times of s divided by s is equal to d divided by t minus 10 by 60 upon d divided by t. So this gives us 6 by 5 is equal to d upon t minus 10 upon 60 multiply by t divided by d, where d gets cancelled. And then when we try and do the cross multiplication, this gives us 6 times of t minus 1 is equal to 5 times of t, where t comes as 1 hour, which, because the options are in minutes, can be written as 60 minutes. And therefore we can say that the time taken by him usually to walk from his home to his office is 60 minutes, which is equal to 1 hour. So hence your answer becomes option number 3. So this is how easily we can solve a question based off this category from time, speed and distance. I hope everyone has understood the method and the concept. Thank you.